Hey guys, welcome to another episode. My name is Robbie Masaga, and today guys I want us to talk about a certain guy who commented on one of my episodes. He told me that I should be doing a lot of content. I should be doing content about other Caribbean islands to prove that I love Jamaica. Well, let me start by saying that in life people will always tend to show love to people they've known for long. They'll show love to people they are connected to. Yeah, you find that there are people who love their friends more than the way they love their relatives. They're only I can love my friend more than the way I love my sister. It's because there is that connection that you have with someone, especially if you grew with that person. I'm giving you this example because I want you guys to understand that most of Africans grew up knowing much about Jamaica than any other Caribbean country. Yeah, we grew up listening to their music, understanding their culture. Yeah, so we have a connection with Jamaicans more than any other Caribbean country. Yeah, that's why you find that most content creators, most content creators do about Jamaica than any other island. Not because we hate the other countries in the Caribbean, no, but because there's just that connection that we have with Jamaicans, a connection that it's not easy to break that connection. Another thing that you shouldn't forget, which is very important, is you need to ask yourself, what's the impact of content creators doing content about Jamaica? Yeah, what's the impact? What's the end goal? Yeah, we shouldn't forget about that, because whenever a story or whenever we talk much about someone or a story, it means it's exposed out there either positively or negatively. In this case, ask yourself, these content creators are doing much about Jamaica. What's the impact? It means Jamaica is being noticed around the world, which will attract tourists in your country. Yeah, in the end, boosting the economy of Jamaica. Yeah, so when we are doing content, instead of judging, first ask yourself, what is this helping our country with? Maybe it's helping your country positively. Yeah, if people didn't talk about Jamaica, people won't have that curiosity. They won't want to know what happens in Jamaica. And this will also promote friendship with African countries. Yeah, we are actually doing the least. Content creators are doing the least, but the impact is very big. Yeah, I don't need to expound on this topic, but I believe you understand what I'm trying to talk about. Yeah, so before you judge us, ask yourself, what are we helping by talking about? I'm not trying to justify why we don't do much about other Caribbean countries, but I want you to understand why we do much about Jamaica than any other island. It's because we have a connection. This connection has been there ever since we were born. In Kenya, we have places where you think people are Jamaicans because they behave like Jamaicans. They practice their Jamaican culture. Yeah, some of them want to imitate how Jamaicans talk. It's because we do have a very strong connection. The other day, Vybz Kartel murder conviction was overturned. And let me tell you people, his fans back here in Kenya celebrated. They danced and sang the whole night because of that decision. It's not because we don't like other Caribbean countries, but it's because Jamaica will always come first in our mind. Yeah, whenever we have something whenever we have a topic to talk about, Jamaica will always be the first one we consider. Yeah, not because we hate those islands, no. And that does not mean we've not done about other islands. Like if you go in my channel, you'll find that I've done about Haiti, I've done about Dominican, and with time, I'll end up doing about other Caribbean countries. Yeah, so it's a process. I don't just wake up and do content about all Caribbean countries. No, it takes a while. Haiti has never been peaceful for the longest. So we don't have much to talk about Haiti. Yeah, apart from us wishing them the best and wanting them to find peace, we don't have much that we can say about Haiti. Yeah, if today I was to advise someone to to visit a country, I wouldn't advise that person to visit Haiti, not because we hate Haiti, but because right now Haiti is not a place where you would want someone to go to. Yeah, when the country finds peace, then why not? We would always want to visit even Haiti just to get to know much about them. And that's why you'll find most content creators doing content about Jamaica. Yeah, you will always talk about someone you love. That is one thing that we can never lie about. You will always talk about that one thing you love. Even for clothes, food, you will talk about the one that you love much. And with content creation, in as much as at the end of the day people will earn some money from it, still we do stories because we love them. We want other people to hear. We want to share with people. That is the only way we can connect with you. Yeah, I might connect with someone through this and we even become friends, but without this, how can I connect with that person? Yeah, maybe I want to connect with people in Jamaica. That does not mean I hate other countries. Even back here in Africa, we don't talk much about African countries, but we talk about a country that is miles away from Africa. So guys, as we wind up, let me leave you by saying that before you judge or rather accuse someone for not doing a particular topic, first get to understand why are they not talking about a person, why are they not talking about another country. Yeah, get to understand them first. Because I don't want to do something to please you. I want to do something that that will attract many people, yeah, that many people relate with, yeah. So get to understand us first before you judge us. Yeah, and thanks for watching, guys. Let's meet on another episode, yeah.